Good morning students. In the last video we learned that what is set, how we are going to write the set and how we are going to represent the set. Once again we would like to repeat the definition of the set. The collection of well-defined object is called set. If we have any of the collection and that is well-defined, means that could not be changed for any person, so that is called set. Now we learn about the type of the set, how we are going to write the set. The first type we learned that is roster method or the listing method. In that we learn how we are going to write the set. We learned few specific rules for that. The first one was we have to use the capital letter to write the name of the set. We use curly brackets. We write the element within the curly brackets and bifurcate all the elements by the commas. No element should be repeats. So these are the few means by following that we have to write the set in the listing method, or we can say the roster method. Now today we are going to start our practice set number 1.1. The first question is given, write the following sets in roster method. The roster method is that only whatever we learn, we can say roster method or the listing method. Set of even numbers. Set of even number. So first, as per the first rule, we have to give the name any of the capital alphabet of the English, and we have to use the curly bracket. Now, set of even numbers. What is even number? Even numbers is the numbers which are divisible by 2. Once again, even number, the numbers which are divisible by 2, so we can say that are even numbers. So we have to write set of even number. That could be start from 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. As because we don't have the limitation still where we have to write all the even numbers, so we have to put the comma and carry on that. The second one, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Even prime number. Again we have to take any of the alphabet for the name, capital letters. I took B is equal to, set B is equal to in curly bracket even number. We learned in the first example, first question, even number, the number which are divisible by 2, and prime number. If the number should be even also and prime also. Prime number, what is the prime number? Prime number is number which have only 2 multiples, 1 and itself. That numbers are called the prime numbers. And whenever we are talking about the even prime number, so there is only one even prime number, that is called 2. So here we have to write 2 and curly bracket closed. The next sum is set of negative integers. Now again we should start with the name of the set. Set C, capital letter in curly bracket. Negative integers. The first one, what is integers? Integers is a group of the whole number including negative numbers. That is called the integers. So we are going to write all the negative integers. If we remember the number line, we are writing the negative number set to the left hand side. So 1, comma, -1, -2, -3 and so on. This way we have to write the negative integers. The next one is 7 basic sounds of the sargam, or we can say sur. Whatever we learned at the time of learning the musical instrument, so we are using this sur. So again take the name of the set, any capital alphabet. D I have taken, that is sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and all are bifurcated by the comma. So this way we have to write the given set in the form of roster method. If at the place of roster method they had mentioned the listing method, then also we are going to do the same way. Now proceed for the question number 2. Write the following symbolic statements in a words. The given questions are in a symbolic statement. Symbolic, we are getting the symbol, that is the symbol of element of. That is the symbol of element of, and if we cut that symbol, it is not an element. So we have to write in a statement form. So answer will be 4/3 is an element of set Q. 4/3 is an element of set Q. The second one -2, and the sign of element should be cutted. So -2 is not an element of set M. There is the difference between these two. If the symbol is given like that, so we have to write is an element of the set. If that is cancelled, so we have to write is not an element of the set. The next one, P is equal to, in curly bracket, P such that P is an odd number. So P is the set of all P's such that P is an odd number. The same way, the symbolic statement we have to write in the words P is the set of all P's, means that is all the P's included in the set P such that P is an odd number. So this way we have to give an symbolic statements right in a words. In the third question, write the following sets using the listing method. Like in the first one we did, listing and the roster method will be the same. Letters in the word complement. Letters in the word complement. Take any of the capital letter for the name. So I took S is equal to, in curly bracket. Now all the letters one by one we are going to write C, comma, O, comma, M, comma, P, comma, L, comma, E, comma. Should I write M? No, as because we learned that in the principles and the rules, no element should be repeat. So at the place of this M, we could not write again E, we could not write N, yes, T, yes. So C, O, M, P, L, E, N, T. These are the words in the letter complement. The next one, set of human sensory organs. Take set B is equal to, what are the human sensory organs? Eyes, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. So these are the human sensory organs. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. In the last question I repeated what are the prime numbers. Prime numbers are the number which are divisible by 1 and itself only. So that are called the prime numbers. Take the name, I took D. From 1 to 20, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So it should be start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So these are the prime numbers from 1 to 20 is come. As before, 1 is neither prime nor composite, 2 is the prime number, 3, 5, 6. Why we should not take the 6? As because that will be the multiple of more than 2. 7, 8, 9, again not 11, 12 is not the prime number, 13, 14, 15, 16 also not the prime number, 17, 18 also not the prime number, 19 and 20 we could not take. In the next one, question number 4, write the following using the rule method. Rule method, we learned that in the rule method the same way we are going to write, but in a specific rule. What is the rule? Let the question number sub question 1, set A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. Do you are getting any specific things within these numbers? Any special things are we are going to see in these numbers? Yes, these all number are the square number. These all are the square number. So how we are going to write in the rule method? So again, the name of the set will be the same in curly bracket. We are going to assume X. Set A is a element of set X such that X is square number. Square numbers till less than or is equal to 10. So set A is the set of X such that X is square numbers is equal to or less than 10, as because 100 is the square of 10. In the sub question 2, set B is given 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. Now what we are getting by seeing these numbers? Is a multiple or the table of the 6? 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24 and so on. So set B is equal to set of X such that X is the multiple of 6. Multiple of 6 less than or is equal to 6 8 is 48. So 8. It could be completed. The next one is C. Set C is SMILE. These are the letters of any words. We are getting? Yes, this is the letters of the word smile. So set C is equal to a set of X such that X is the letters of the word smile. Do you getting? Once again, these all are the words, letters of the word smile. So we have to write set C is equal to set of X such that X is the letters of the word smile. So now today we learned that how we are going to write the given set in the listing method or roster method or the rule method. Both the method we repeated in the problem practice set number 1.1. Now you have few homework questions for you all. In that, the same way whatever we did in our today's video, we learned that we have to solve in the homework. The first one, write any two sets by listing method, any two sets by listing method and by the rule method. Two sets we are going to write by our own self. We can take any of the two examples for the both method, listing method as well as rule method. Question number 2, write the following sets using listing method. Here we have the two questions. We are going to write by using listing method. All the months in Indian calendars we are going to write by listing method. Name of the continents of the world again by the listing method. Question number 3, write by using rule method. Whatever we learned, X, set X is equal to A, E, T, we are going to write by the rule method, and set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So this much of the homeworks you have to read, continue in your homework book. As I said in the last video, you have to prepare 200 pages long notebook for your homework, and continuously whatever homeworks you are getting in every videos you have to do it, and that will going to correct after reopening the school. That is most important for your internal marks. And from the next video onwards, whenever we are solving the exercises, the practice set, you have to take a notebook, a pen with the same way how I solving the sums on the board. You have to follow that and solve it. And again, one main thing I would like to repeat, in the video, in the group, if you have any queries regarding any subjects, any of the topics, you can mention your queries, you can clear your queries on Friday. On Friday there will be open for doing the message to all of the participants of the group. So if you mention on the Friday, we will get the answer of the solution for the queries on Saturday. Thank you. Next